So we're done. It's been a great install. Thanks so much for all your help. Really appreciate it.
Thank you.
We've got our 42-liter Snowmaster fridge in. I've got my dual range Camp Chef stove ready to go. And yeah, I can't wait to get on the trail. But one thing is, I know there's a lot more behind Goose Gear, the reasons why you started. Can you talk about that a little bit, just to give people an idea of where you came from, what led to all this, and some of the history behind the company?
Absolutely. So Goose Gear started with basically a desire to get out and explore. My daughter was growing, getting older. She was 10 years old, and we really hadn't gone anywhere epic and explored, and I haven't really shown her anything. I was just working, typical American family. And I said, enough, I want to go do something, and was looking on YouTube and actually came across Expedition Overland, and that's how I even found out Overland even exists, and didn't even know what it was. You know,
how many years ago?
About 4 years ago. Yeah, 5 years ago now, actually. Yeah, close to 5. And decided I want to do that, and I want to take my daughter out and go camping and explore and see this country and the world, because it's just, we need to do that. And we sold our truck and bought a 4Runner and said, hey, what should we do with this? You know, we own a cabinet and countertop manufacturing company already. My wife's third generation. She's been doing this. You know, her family's been in the countertop business for 60 years. And we applied a lot of that technology and said, hey, let's build a drawer for the 4Runner. So built a drawer for the 4Runner and posted it online on AmericanAdventurous.com. And Dave, the founder of American Adventurous, hit me up and said, hey, would you be interested in building some of my flip pack? And I didn't even know what a flip pack was. Right. So I went over to his house, he popped this thing open, and this is incredible. I've never seen anything like it. And he said, hey, there's a small niche market, but it's a growing market. Would you want to build something? And I said, yeah, I would. And so we built out his truck. Nice. And that's how it all got started.
Where does the name Goose Gear come from?
So Goose Gear is actually, my daughter's nickname is Goose. So when she was about 2 months old, I walked in the bedroom and she was laying in her crib, and I called her Goose. And ever since then, I've called her Goose. I don't know where the name came from, to be honest with you. I just walked in and I said, hey, Goose. And that was it. So that's where Goose Gear came from. Nice. It's about for my daughter and getting her out and exploring.
That's an awesome story for an awesome company.
Thanks,
Brian.
Appreciate it. Thanks. Have a good one.